This shelter has uh, kept me outside of the rain. I mean, off the rain. Overall, I've had a good night of sleep, and then it's probably time to pack things up and break camp. Unfortunately, we don't have embers left on the fire, so I think boiling water is not an option, and as well as having a coffee, maybe we'd have to skip that one as well. So we'll just enjoy a beautiful morning out here in nature and then break camp